boys are going to do is they're going to put socks that are connected onto the ends of their feet. All they have to do to win the 2 points is rock the other person's socks off.
If I were you,
it's a very simple game. Okay, so the rules are... Dan, how long are you taking? This is a basic...
Come on, man. You do this every day.
It's a basic motor skill. Usually he does it upside down.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So he's there.
Straight.
All right, are the socks on? Okay, here we go. Legs are up.
I need you to cheer for whoever you think is going to win as well.
Ollie, you just need to lean back. Ollie, just lean back, get your legs up. Just lean back, Ollie. Just lean back into it and get your legs up. I'm going to support you from this side, okay? Ollie, it's okay, don't worry. I'm going to support you from this side, okay? All right, ready? Feet up, here we go. Rock your socks off. In 3, 2, 1, rock your socks off! Here we go, there's a lot of grip coming from this side. There's a lot of grip coming.
That's it!
Oh, Dan's going!
Come on, you can get it!
Thompson's going in. Thompson's going in. What's going to...
No crossing legs, you guys!
You can use a second leg grip. You can... Oh, Thompson's going in. He's going.
Pull those socks off!
He's going.
Pull those socks off!
Here we go. Rock his socks off. Rock his socks off.
Rock his socks off!
Rock his socks off. Dad's lifting up. It's not helping him at all in this situation.
Let's go! Let's go!
Thompson's are going. Thompson's big level of the screen. Come on, Ollie. Here we go. Rock next. I'm gonna help this.
We did not think this through.
We did. I mean, we played this. I'm gonna go here.
I think one's almost off. Get this one.
Here we go. Oh, they're coming off. Here we go.
That's it.
Come on now. We can do this. Dan's going in. This one is off. Thompson has taken it. He has successfully rocked the socks off.
Something I never thought I'd see.
Okay, let's take these off. Let's take these off for once. Let's just get these off. Let's throw that. You can have those as a souvenir. You can have these as souvenirs. Over there. There you go. Okay, lovely.